Hello everybody, this is Dr. Bob DeMaria with another episode of Ask Dr. Bob. Dr. Bob, what do you suggest for joint pain when I don't eat sugar, I eat clean, and my leg hurts from bending? Well, first, you may consider having some spinal films to make sure that you don't have any lower spinal pathology. I actually would avoid dairy, because dairy can cause pain, and so can sugar. Just throwing that out to you, it can cause inflammation. I would like to know the best way to eat beets. Right now, what I'm doing in my household is getting organic beets and I'm peeling them directly on the salad. And that's probably one of the easiest ways, probably one of the healthiest ways to get organic raw beet fiber into your diet. Dr. Bob, do you have any supplements for menopause? You're 52 years old, breast cancer survivor, haven't had menstrual cycle in about a year, experience hot flashes at night. Okay, so because you're a cancer survivor, you definitely want to look at your liver to make sure it's functioning okay. I wasn't sure what kind of cancer you may have had. I know it was breast cancer, but what some of the real, when they define it, we do breast thermography here in our office in Cleveland, Ohio, and also in Naples, Florida, because your breasts drain into your armpits, which drain into your liver, and we know a lot of breast cancer can be associated with liver congestion. I would definitely have your thyroid gland assessed. You mentioned you have insomnia, and I know that one of the companies we work with just created a brand new product for insomnia that has some GABA in it and has had wonderful reports. It's not addictive, but it helps reestablish just the normal chemicals in a person's body. I would suggest that you might want to contact us. You may have too much copper in relationship to zinc. That also impairs your sleep. Dr. Bob, I would like to know the best way to eat beets. Raw, boiled, in a salad, or juice. So I mentioned to you that I currently peel my beets, organic beets, directly on the salad. And you were asking me a couple other questions in regard to having other hormonal issues, and just like the one question above, what I would suggest that you do is have a thyroid panel completed. You may consider finding somebody that does breast thermography, because that also helps us in check function. The thyroid panel would be an excellent way to at least get a drill down idea of what's going on, and you may consider doing an OptiChem profile to at least have some foundational numbers. Great questions. I'm Dr. Bob DeMaria.